Traveling, exploring, and learning on the road. Farming's Family Road Trip.
All right, so we're in Seward again, and we are ready to go on a Resurrection Bay tour with Kenai Fjords Tours. The weather's kind of lousy. One thing you need to do is when you get here, look at the weather forecast and try to schedule your tour when it's going to be sunny. Unfortunately, this is with the date we got. We made it work, and we're going to make it work. So we have about 10 minutes till boarding, and then we're going to head out on the boat.
And see lots of whales and puffins and orcas.
That's the plan. Lots of whales, puffins, and orcas.
Who's the one that came and asked me?
Me.
Is it you? Come and get in the seat.
Take the helm, man.
There you go.
Remember you driving our boat? This is fun.
Yes, it is. Most the days that it's not fun is when it's really bad weather. Alright folks, we have a spotting of another wildlife species over here. We have doll porpoise, somewhere just ahead of us. So I'm going to slow down to about 9 knots, which is the magic number for them to come and play with us. If we run any faster, they burn up too much energy trying to play, and then they...
The steering wheel. Look at Mama.
Okay, but you've got to go down, yeah? You've got to go down.
Look at Mama.
Thank you. I have live engine controls on the weather station. That's why I won't allow them out there.
Alright, it's lunchtime, so we are pulling into, I think it's called Fox Island for lunch. It's out here in the bay. We just got done having lunch at Fox Island. All you could eat prime rib and salmon with some veggies and salad. It was delicious. They do have crab if you want to pay about, what, extra $15 per person?
Yep.
But they're not big crab fans, so $15 for 3 crab legs is not a good deal for me. But the prime rib was good. How was the salmon?
The salmon was great.
Overall, great meal. Really, really good meal. Boys got filled up, and we're just waiting to get back on the boat now.
So these guys, they age about pretty much similar to humans, 50 to 70 years old. There you go. Wow. There we go. Here's your money shot. Tail, 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 right there. You're gonna move out and it's got a thing to look at. Young males from the males.
So we are back in Seward after a great afternoon. I mean, the weather wasn't the greatest, but we still saw what we saw.
We saw humpback whales and puffins and cormorants and sea
Eagle.
lions.
We saw bald eagle. We did see a doll porpoise, but it was off in the distance, so I didn't want to play with the boat.
They said he was probably hunting.
It was a great experience. We had a good time. The captain even took the kids up and let a couple of them drive the boat. They let us know when there's different wildlife. We just did the Ressurection Bay, so we did not go and end up over at the Fjords National Park, but we did circle the bay. It was pretty cool.
He brought us around to some glaciers, but we couldn't see them because of the weather. But typically you would see those. They're pretty good about finding the animals and pointing out and slowing down and letting everybody get a good view of them.
Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and go back up to the parking lot. This completes our round trip from Seward to Seward, and we're gonna be moving on down the peninsula. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
All right, so for the Fjord Tours, they do have free parking for RVs, cars, and then they have a shuttle that will take you down to the boats, and it's all free. What? And back. And back. And they'll actually take you anywhere in town. I think it's actually the free shuttle that'll take you around town that we didn't know about, otherwise we might have just stayed at our spot, but who knows. All right, well, we're gonna hit the road.